Welcome to Tech Tips by Admire Nature with Family. Today I'm going to tell you how to resize multiple images to make them smaller size to use it for various purposes you might want to use. For all you gotta do is just go to the go to the Google search, or just go to Microsoft Downloads. If you know, simply search download Microsoft Power Toys. Go to the Microsoft Store. Make sure you go to the right website and do not download it through some ads. Go to the download, click on the download. It will come into your downloads folder, or depending on your setting, it'll just start downloading the installer. Once you have it installed, click on it, run the installer, select the regular options that will show you, hit next, finish it up, and installer. Once the installer is complete with installing Microsoft Power Tools, you'll have extra options in your right click menu. I'll show you right now. So this is a folder. I have multiple images with really big pictures, big sized pictures, from 3 MBs to all the way like 5-6 MB picture. So in regular options, you'll have to right click on each and every image and get it resized from Microsoft Image Viewer. It takes forever. With this option, so all you gotta do is just select the whole folders. Multiple of them, could be 100, could be 20, could be 2, it depends on you. Select all of them, right click on it, and find the menu option that will say resize with image resizer. Once you have the once you click on that option, this dialog box will open, and there's an option to select medium, large, small, font size, or custom. I've made a custom file size 320 by 240 pixels. It's a really small size. You have various other options. The most concerning one would be overwrite the files or not. You can unselect it, or depending on you, if you want to keep the same file and not do a multiple size. But anyway, it will not overwrite your file. Once you unselect that, hit resize. Once you have it resized, you'll see the pictures, a copy of the picture with a really small size will come right next to it, and the size, you can see the 3 MB size converted into 6 KB file, depending on you which one, how smaller you want to make it. This is the easiest way to resize your images. Let me know. There are other options in Power Toys. You can explore them, or we can go through that in the next video. If you like, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this a quick little tip for resizing multiple images all at once. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.